Friday night in Sydney.
Waikiki is very dead today. We're coming up towards the beach, which will probably have no people on it.
2020, the year of COVID-19.
Michaela, what is that?
Or Great Falls. We are now crossing a dangerous crocodile-infested river.
Our midday walk doesn't seem like there's too much activity in our normal spot. Here they come. Dewey, the Hawaiian ducks.
Mike is less scared of Dewey than I am.
Morning, fellas. Laura has found seems like a lazy cat, but let's see what, and he kind of zipped off. Maybe she's practicing for Tokyo gymnastics.
Look how much short
Are you dancing? Everyone's excited. Oh, look at that little one. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Oh no, the elephant was coming!
It's like they've never eaten before.
That's why you call it the tunnel of love.
Mama and her ducklings. They're in Hawaii.
This is so cute. Can you wave goodbye?